Banana pants.
Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle
Banana pants. Oh, just be quiet.
Just like me, right?
Nah. When we inhale, our diaphragm contracts, helping us take in air into the lungs. When we exhale, it relaxes, helping us give out air. However, sometimes this contraction does not happen properly. One of the reasons is excess eating. Eating too much too quickly causes our stomach to swell, causing discomfort to our diaphragm. Due to this, our diaphragm contracts irregularly in a jerky way, making us suck air suddenly. This air rushes through our voice box, making the vocal cords to close suddenly, creating a hiccup. Topic: pathogens. Why do we get fever?
So that we can take a holiday from work.
Nah. Fever is a protective response of our body to fight against pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These pathogens cause diseases. Hence, when pathogens enter our body, the immune cells, such as white blood cells, produce chemicals called pyrogens, which are released into the bloodstream.
Oh, I thought like movies, they are released in theaters.
Please, pay attention. Hypothalamus, which is a small part of our brain, regulates our body temperature.
Monster cannon.
However, when these pathogens reach the hypothalamus, it
Stop.
starts to raise our body temperature, thus producing fever. Now, one of the reasons for producing this fever is that many pathogens cannot survive at high temperatures. Thus, they die and we remain safe. Topic: pimples.
Oh.
Why do we get pimples?
Because they don't want me to look handsome.
No. Pimples are caused due to the activity of sebaceous gland present in our skin. This gland produces an oily substance called sebum. Sebum comes up to the skin surface through a pore and moisturizes our hair and skin.
Oh, like moisturizer?
Absolutely.
Oh.
However, sometimes the pore gets blocked due to dead skin cells. Due to this blockage, the sebum gets stimulated, creating a as sebum is a very good source of nutrients for bacteria in our skin.
Oh,
They start
stop.
to grow in that area, leading to an infection. Our immune system responds to this infection by sending blood and immune cells. Blood makes the area red, whereas the immune cells kill the bacteria, resulting in inflammation and formation of a pimple. Topic: thermoregulation. Why do dogs pant?
Because they want to tease us.
No, they pant for thermoregulation. Thermoregulation is the process by which organisms maintain their internal body temperature.
Oh well, I use an air conditioner.
Oh, you're unbelievable. When we humans feel hot, the sweat glands which are present all over our body produce sweat. Sweat is about 10 to 90% water. This water takes our body and evaporates, helping us to lose heat. Now, dogs also have sweat glands. However, they are present under their paws. But as their paws are small and are mostly used to stand and sit, sweating through them to lose heat is not enough. Hence, dogs pant. During panting, they take their long-tongue out and breathe heavily. Due to this, the water in their saliva evaporates, taking their body heat, thus helping with thermoregulation. Topic: taste buds. Why mint is cold? Maybe because it was manufactured in a...
Stop.
Not at all. Wait, I'll explain. Our tongue is actually a muscle which consists of many taste buds or receptors.
Are they similar to my earbuds?
Nah. When foods having flavors such as sweet, salty, sour, bitter, or umami come in contact with these taste receptors and activate them, they send signals to the brain, telling us their taste. However, when we eat mint, it feels or tastes cold. This is because mint contains a compound called menthol. Menthol does not activate the taste receptors, but instead, it activates the cold sensing receptors in our tongue. Hence, these receptors send messages Snoring is a noisy, rattling sound occurring during sleep.
Oh, really? I thought snoring is a pleasing piano sound.
Please listen. Snoring is basically caused due to obstruction of air in our respiratory tract during breathing.
Freaking kills you off.
When we breathe, we take in air through nose or mouth.
Oh, just be
which then passes down
quiet.
the throat into the lungs. Normally, when we aren't asleep, our mouth parts like soft palate and uvula keep this tract wide open, allowing air to pass easily. However, excess growth of soft palate and uvula in some people causes snoring. So when these people sleep, these parts fall on the back of their throat, creating an obstruction. Hence, when they inhale,
Banana pants.
making them vibrate, which
Banana pants. Banana pants.
something.
Oh, just be quiet.
Why do we get freckles?
Because they are being so pathetic.
No. We get freckles because of melanin. Melanin is a pigment produced by cells called melanocytes in our skin. It gives color to our hair and skin.
Will it give color to my door?
Oh, please listen. Besides giving color, melanin also acts as a natural defense against the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. When we're in the hot sun, our skin, which is exposed to the sunlight, activates its melanocytes, causing them to produce melanin. Melanin absorbs the ultraviolet radiation, thus protecting us and in due course, darkening the skin. However, in some people, this melanin is not produced evenly. This means some parts of their skin produce more melanin as compared to others, thus creating small dark patches on their skin called freckles. Topic: myopia. What causes nearsightedness?
Excess staring at junk food.
No. When light from an object enters our eyes, our eye lens bends it such that the image is formed on the retina. However, in some people, this image is formed before the retina. Such defect is called nearsightedness or myopia. A person with myopia cannot see distant objects clearly.
But why?
Wait, I'll explain. To focus image of a distant object on the retina, our eye lens becomes thick. However, in people with myopia,
Okay, so
thus forming image
I
before the retina and making it difficult to see. Moreover, when the eyeball is elongated more than normal, the distance between the lens and the retina increases, resulting in the formation of image before the retina, thus causing difficulty in seeing the distant.
Oh, be quiet.
Topic: red eye effect.
Why do my eyes glow red in photos?
Because there is a devil hidden in you.
Oh, stop bluffing.
Alright, I'll explain. It happens because of blood vessels in our eyes and pupil. Pupil is a small opening whose size is
Oh,
adjusted by a
stop.
muscular muscle called iris. In bright light, the iris contracts, making the pupil smaller, thus allowing less light to enter into our eyes. In dark, the iris relaxes, making the pupil larger, thus allowing more light to enter and also exposing the blood vessels in our eyes. Hence, when we take a photo in such a dark environment, the flash of light from the camera floods into our eyes at once. Some of this light gets reflected from the blood vessels onto the camera before our iris can contract, making our eyes glow red in photos. Topic: human nose. Why does spicy food make your nose run?
Because it is not that strong to make me run.
Nah. Our nose consists of tiny hair and a sticky substance called mucus.
Can I use this mucus to stick my broken nose?
Oh, just be quiet.
During breathing, the hair and mucus trap harmful substances, thus prohibiting them from entering deep inside the body. Now,
And
spicy
pussy,
food like
and
chicken,
then
mussels,
pussy,
horseradish, and
and
wasabi
for watching and subscribe for some more videos.